Alright, this is part 2 of adding snow to the layout. Previously, I added snow to the roof of the fire department building, as well as the stairway. This is going to basically be how to add tire basically wheel markings in the snow. So, first, of course, you want to add snow. So I'm going to do that real quick. So, here's kind of the snow right here. Locomotive right there. It's now over there. Here's kind of all the snow I've added. Then you want to take a car and hopefully if I run it through, it leaves wheel markings and did the complete opposite.